my dear students, good morning and welcome to my channel. Guys, this morning I would like to share to you a very important topic, and this is all about the parts and functions of a plant cell. All right. If you are, of course, new to my channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with my upcoming uh, videos. And if you like the video, kindly like and share to your classmates. Okay, so let us start now. Let us talk first about cell. All of us are aware that the cell is the smallest unit structure of all living things. And if we are talking about the plant cell, this is the unit structure of the plants. In other words, plants is composed of several millions of cells. Alright, let us talk first about the different parts of a typical plant cell. We've heard the cell wall, this one. Mm, Then the cell membrane, the mitochondria, the vacuole, this one, the chloroplast, the Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies, the endoplasmic reticulum, the nucleus, the nucleolus, the peroxisome, the ribosome, this one, and the amyloplast and the cytoplasm. Now, let us take the functions of each of these different parts of uh, the cell. Let us start with the cell wall. The cell wall is a rigid layer which is composed of polysaccharide cellulose, pectin, and hemicellulose. It is located outside the cell membrane. It also comprises glycoproteins and polymers such as lignin, cutin, and soldering. The primary function of the cell wall is to protect and provide structural support to the cell. The plant cell wall is also involved in protecting the cell against mechanical stress and providing form and structure to the cell. It also filters the molecules passing in and out of it. The formation of the cell wall is guided by microtubules. It consists of three layers, but in the image you cannot see these three layers. But to mention it, we have the primary, secondary, and the middle lamella. The primary cell wall is formed by cellulose laid down by enzymes. Next is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is the semi-permeable membrane that is present within the cell wall. It is composed of a thin layer of protein and fat. The cell membrane plays an important role in regulating the entry and exit of specific substances within the cell. For example, the cell membrane keeps toxin from entering inside, while the nutrients and essential minerals are transported across. We have also the nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that is present in eukaryotic cells. The vital function of nucleus is to store DNA or hereditary information required for cell division, metabolism, and growth. And there are subparts also. We have the nucleolus. It is it manufactures cells, protein producing structures, and ribosomes. And the nucleopore, this is uh, perforated with holes and of course allow proteins and nucleic acid to pass through. And we have also the nuclear envelope, a highly regulated membrane that separates the nucleus from cytoplasm. So these are the different subparts of the nucleus. Then we have amyloplast, this one. The amyloplast is colorless plastid that forms and store starch. That's the function. We have also the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills itself and is enclosed by cell membrane. It is composed of water, salt, and protein. Cytoplasm includes all the materials inside the cell and outside the nucleus. Another part is chloroplast. This one. The chloroplast is an elongated organelle enclosed by phospholipid membrane. The chloroplast is shaped like a disc, and the stroma is diploid within the chloroplast that comprises a circular DNA. Each chloroplast contains a green-colored pigment called chlorophyll, required for the process of photosynthesis. The chlorophyll absorb light energy from the sun or electrical energy from our lights and um, uses it to transform carbon dioxide and water into glucose. We have also the peroxisome. This is responsible in carrying out oxidative reactions using molecular oxygen. We have the vacuoles here. The vacuole actually occupies around 30% of the cell's volume in immature cell. And the tonoplast is a membrane that surrounds the central vacuole. The vital function of the central vacuole, apart from storage, is to sustain turgor or turgor pressure against the cell wall. The central vacuole consists of the cell sac. It is a mixture of salts, enzymes, and other substances. We have the Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. They are found in all eukaryotic cells, which are involved in distributing synthesis, microtubules to various parts of the cell. And or we have also the ribosome. The ribosome, this one, they are the smallest membrane-bound organelles which comprise RNA and protein. They are the sites for protein synthesis, hence all referred to as the protein factories of the cell. They are considered as the protein factories of the cell. And we have, of course, the mitochondria. This one. The mitochondria are doubled membrane organelles found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. They provide energy by breaking down carbohydrates and the sugar molecules. Hence, they are also referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Pag sinabing mitochondria, ito talaga yung powerhouse of the cell. And of course, the last one is endoplasmic reticulum. It is a large dynamic structure that serves many roles in the cell, including calcium storage, protein synthesis, and lipid metabolism. So, guys, these are the different functions of the parts of a typical plant cell. So, thank you very much. God bless you all and keep safe, everyone.